Hey guys, Nick here with Gear Nut, and if you're like me and you like tools, well, this video might be for you. So I try to save my viewers and my subscribers money when I can, so that's kind of the reward for subbing to my channel. And a couple months ago, I picked this exact kit up right here. So I got the M12 hammer drill, feelless, the brushless version. I got the Impact feel model, brushless, and then I've got the 3/8 ratchet, and this is the brushed version. So this is my second one of these. I love this ratchet. Maybe I'll pick up the brushless version in the future, but for right now, this works. It works great, especially when I was working on installing calipers on my pickup. Those banjo bolts are a breeze with that. It just cut down the air in the lines, the brake bleeding time. It was just hands down one of the best things I've ever experienced. I love that thing. So this exact kit, you get a charger, you get the brushed version of the 3/8 ratchet, you get your Impact. This is the brushless. It's got all those nice settings there, and it's got that self-tapping screw setting. That is awesome for working on screen doors. I put 4 screen doors in last month, and this was the ticket. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. Maybe it was 2 months ago. 2 months ago, I think it was. And then the hammer drill, oh my goodness. Check this out. Get a 2.0 amp hour battery and a 4.0 amp hour battery. And I like these because they're super compact. They're nice little drills and hammer drill. Screw this out. Now your hammer drill, let's put it in reverse. The hammer drill, you have to push on this chuck to get it to work. I thought these things were gonna be dinky, 12 volt, you know, not have much power. Oh yeah, they got power. This has got an all metal 1/2-inch chuck. I was just blown away. So I said the next time that this goes on sale for 229 bucks, that's what I picked this kit up for, I was gonna let you guys know about it. And I'm trying to talk my wife into letting me get another one of these kits to keep at my dad's, and she's like, no, Nick. Oh my goodness. So anyhow, if you wanted any of these tools, that's a pretty good deal. That was the best deal I could find on them. And you get a really nice bag, everything you need. You know, you get 2 batteries. You get actually a pretty decent battery. These batteries are expensive. So the only other thing I would add to this little M12 lineup, I got it sitting over here, is this guy, the stubby Impact M12. Now, I got the 1/2-inch. I wish I would have got the 3/8 because I have more 3/8 sockets, and I'll use 3/8 more than I'll use 1/2. But this thing busts lug nuts loose. This thing busts lawnmower blades loose like nothing. Oh my goodness. This thing's insane. And then they make these 3.0 amp hour batteries. Look at this. Same size as, here's one that's a 1.5. Look at that. Same size. Super compact, but you get 3.0. Oh my God, you get 3 amps, right? Look how small that is. Look at that. Got multiple settings on here. And then you can lock these out. Push them in the center. Locks them out so you can throw them in your tool bag. They won't turn on accidentally and start running in the bag. But brushless, guys, brushless. So then for 100 bucks, I picked up the 3.0 set, which you get 2 of these 3.0s, and then you get another charger, right? So now I can leave one of these at my friend's, or I can leave one of these at my dad's, which I've already got one of these at my dad's from my old ratchet and batteries. But yeah, it's a great setup. If I could design a kit, this would be the kit I would get right here, because I can do a lot with these tools. I can do a lot. I can work on cars, I can work on my house, I can build little projects with the kids. Fantastic. When I had to build 3 office chairs, I came out, I grabbed this little 3/8 ratchet, and I got some of my Allen key or hex key sockets. I put those on there. I went in and I zipped all those chairs together in like 10 minutes. My wife was like, you got those done already? I was like, yeah. Super cool, super cool. So, Nick here with Gear Nut. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys want me to do some more of these sale videos to try to save you guys some money, yeah, let me know. Comment section below, man. So, description box below, check it out. I'll see if I got a link for you guys. Looks like I got something all over my phone. But 229 bucks for that kit right there. I think that's a heck of a deal. So I just wish my wife would let me buy another one. Nick here with Gear Nut. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll check you guys later.